More than 1 million South Carolinians will be getting an income tax rebate by the end of the year. But as News 19's Becky Buds reports, how big of a rebate you get depends on how much you've paid in state income taxes.
Many South Carolina taxpayers could soon get hundreds of dollars in one-time rebates, though not everyone is eligible. Executive Director of the State Office of Fiscal Affairs, Frank Rainwater, explains only South Carolinians who paid state income taxes will receive a rebate, which is about 1.5 million filers. The more than 40% of tax filers who don't pay state income taxes will not receive a rebate.
56% of the tax returns are expected to get a rebate based on their tax liability. It could be as little as $1. It could go up even higher.
For those getting a check, every bit of money helps.
I wish I could get it back sooner than the end of the year, but yeah, that would be helpful, especially with gas prices and everything's just going up.
I think it would be helpful, period, for everybody with the situation of the economy.
Each return filed in 2021 will receive a rebate equal to the amount of tax liability on the return.
This is your net tax liability. How much do you owe after the course of the year after you've paid in and gotten a refund?
However, rebates will be capped at about $800. Residents can find how much they paid in state income taxes by referring to line 15 on their state income tax return.
If your return had one person on it, single or married, filing jointly, is still per return, so people need to be aware of that.
The rebates will cost the state about $1 billion. The Department of Revenue must issue these refunds by the end of the year. Reporting out the State House, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
State lawmakers also passed an income tax cut bill that reduces the number of income tax rates from 5 to 2 and immediately cuts the top rate from 7% down to 6.5%. The top rate will be reduced to 6% over a span of 5 years. Now, taking a closer look at what's included in the state budget plan passed by lawmakers yesterday. In addition to some changes in taxes, the budget raises the minimum salary for teachers from $36,000 a year to $40,000 a year. It also gives state employees a 3% raise and a $1,500 bonus. The budget will spend $1 billion on road projects, and it's also going to provide a financial incentive to colleges to freeze tuition. And finally, the budget is going to create a $1 billion reserve.